Good day, everybody. My name is William Gerber, and the other members of my team are Caitlin English and Trevor Minyard and Larry Phillips. And our RFP is for the revitalization of downtown Wright. Wright is a medium-sized Midwest city with a population of around 80,000 people. Some background is that in the last 10 years, Wright has seen a decrease in population from 110,000 to this 80,000. In that, they've lost a number of businesses and corporations that have caused a decline in the downtown sector. We've seen some deterioration, vacant buildings, fewer jobs, and a decrease in some property values, along with an uptick in some crime that has taken place in downtown Wright. So the purpose of this grant proposal is to request funding for downtown revitalization and development of Wright in order to catalyze economic growth. Now we're going to do that by looking at a couple of different or three different objectives. Number one is we want to provide measurable increases in revenues, commercial development, retail restaurant sales, and foot traffic, and we'd like to do that within the next 5 years. Number two, provide citizens with a multi-use alternative location to shop, play, and relax. And then also with the help of the City of Wright, we want to help increase visibility and economic growth by job acquisition and opportunities in the downtown area. Now, the network structure and the involved organizations is going to be a combination of some government organizations and some NGOs. The partners and community organizations included will be the City of Wright, the City of Wright City Council and City Manager, Tax Increment Financing District Board, the City of Wright Economic Development Board, the City of Wright Community Development Board, also the City of Wright Development Staff, which will include planning, coding, engineering, etc., the Downtown Business Owners Group, Downtown HOA and Renters Association, the City of Wright Chamber of Commerce. Now, the primary leaders of the community regarding the proposed redevelopment will be the City of Wright City Council and Chamber of Commerce. They will appoint members of the policymaking boards, which are the Tax Increment Finance Board and the Economic Development Board, and also the Community Development Board. These three bodies will be the primary policymakers, which will craft with input from the community group, such as Downtown Business Owners Group and the HOAs. Goldsmith and Eggers both said in 2004 that networks can help develop strong relationships, and strong relationships reinforce the network by building trust. To ensure this, that network partners are able to successfully reach the goal of downtown revitalization, we're going to use strategies to strengthen and retain existing businesses, and we'll be able to further build trust and commitment amongst partnerships. Now, before any network management criteria can be in place, it'll be necessary to address governance issues. We'll do that by utilizing the Wright Economic Development Board representative, who has the most commonality among the members of the network. And that person will be in charge of facilitating work sessions and utilizing a 9-step model for building agreement on the governance structure of a network. That governance will be able to be put in place. Once the governance structure is in place, the Economic Development Board representative of the network will act as the operator of the civic switchboard by placing developers and business owners in connection with resources in the network. Now, grant funds will be used for full-time staff, office expenditures, advertising and marketing expenses, along with contractual obligations. Evaluation is going to be done by using performance mechanism and relevant information collected and analyzed through both the initial and late stages of the revitalization project. Some of those indicators are going to have to deal with construction, vacancies in housing and office buildings, job opportunities, unemployment rate, crimes, and population growth within the city. By identifying these indicators, we'll be able to evaluate whether the program has succeeded at each stage of the process. I want to thank Caitlin and Trevor and Larry for the great job that they did, and we welcome any questions that you might have. Thank you.